How to switch language on iPhone keyboard. This will show you how to change between iPhone keyboard languages. So if you're typing something, you can do it in English, then go over to Mandarin, then to Spanish, or whatever language you want. So to do that, you want to press the bottom left-hand corner when you are typing on the keyboard. So you can type it, first of all, in the regular language. Then you want to click the bottom left-hand corner where you see that globe icon. Then you want to change it to the other language you want. So for instance, here I'm doing Mandarin. Then you can go ahead and return and then do another click at the bottom left hand corner, then go to another language. You can do all the different languages within that bottom left hand corner there. All you have to do is go to the settings, then pick the languages you want, and they will appear in this section here. So you can switch between them however many times you want to. In the same sentence, you can use 2 different languages, 3 different languages, as many as you want down there at the bottom left hand corner. So leave a like on the video for help and subscribe for more helpful videos.